Connecting ShipStation to WooCommerce allows you to streamline your order fulfillment process. Here's how to set it up. Create a ShipStation account. Sign up or log in at ShipStation.com. You will need this account to link ShipStation with WooCommerce. Install the ShipStation plugin on WooCommerce. In your WooCommerce dashboard, go to Plugins, Add New. Search for the ShipStation integration plugin by Automatic, install it and click Activate. Access ShipStation settings in WooCommerce. After activating the plugin, go to WooCommerce Settings. Select the Shipping tab and click on ShipStation. Generate API keys from WooCommerce. In the ShipStation settings, click API keys to generate a consumer key and consumer secret. You will use this to authenticate the connection. Connect WooCommerce to ShipStation. In your ShipStation account, go to Settings, Selling Channels, connect a store or marketplace. Select WooCommerce from the list and enter your store URL along with the API keys generated in WooCommerce. Test the integration. Once connected, ShipStation will start importing orders from WooCommerce. Review the orders to ensure everything is working correctly.